In this video, I'll show you how to use your portal, your PlayStation Portal, away from home, away from your PS5. So to do this, we first need to enable a few settings on the PS5 itself. So you can do it on the portal when you're close to your PS5 before leaving home, or this can also be done directly on your PS5 using your normal PS5 controller. It's your choice. I'll show you on the portal. So over here, what you need to do is to first go into the settings. Oops, sorry. So select settings, then go down and select system, go down and select power saving, and then select features available in rest mode. From here, make sure these two ones are turned on. So stay connected to the internet. You want your PS5 at home to be always connected to the internet so that when you want to use it using your portal while it's already available, it will get the signal. And then you need to have enable turning on PS5 from network enable as well. So your PS5 at home will stay in rest mode until you need to use it with your portal, and you'll be able to wake it up since you have turned this on no matter where you are in the world. The only thing you need obviously is to have a Wi-Fi connection on the PlayStation Portal. Before leaving your PS5, you need to put it in rest mode. What I mean by this is, well, okay, press the PlayStation button on the portal, and every time you are done playing with your portal, you need to go over here, select power. I mean, there's two ways on how to do it. The first way is over here, select power, and then select enter rest mode. Don't choose turn off PS5, because if your PS5 is turned off at home and you're away and you want to use it with the portal, well, it will not work. You will not be able to wake it up if it's turned off. So select enter rest mode. Another way on how to do this on the portal, let me exit here. Let's say you're playing a game, you can drag from the top right corner to have this menu and then select disconnect. But before doing disconnect, make sure this is turned on. Put the connected PS5 in rest mode. Once this is enabled, click disconnect. Okay, it's disconnecting and the PS5 will enter rest mode. Now let's say you're on vacation or you're away from home and you want to play on your portal. You simply have to power on your device. So I'll press the power button over here. Oops, I need to keep it pressed a bit longer. Wait for the portal to wake up. Press the PlayStation button. Select your PlayStation over here, and now it will wake up your PlayStation. Now, obviously, I'm not away from home, but even if I was, it will wake up the way it just did, and it will connect to it. Select play, and now I have access to my PlayStation 5, even if I'm at the even if I'm really far from home. So thanks for watching. This is it. Leave a like, comment down below if this tutorial was helpful. If you think I can improve it, I want to know as well. So leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.